Learning animation is not an easy thing to do. I wanted to just run. Luckily, I didn't. I got myself on Amazon and I grabbed myself an iPad and I bought an Apple Pencil and I started learning how to animate. You can do absolutely the same with my Amazon link below and start animating. This is my walk cycle animation I did. It's not perfect, but I'll keep on animating. In the meantime, work must still carry on. I'm hoping this software is going to help you with the walking animation, jumping and funny animation, but it has to be your own drawing. So let's jump right in and animate. You need to have a drawing, and one of the questions I got was, can I use my child's photo or my nephew's photo in order for me to create animation either on Canva or even the software we're looking at today? The answer is absolutely yes. You just need to use the photo and edit the photo, change the photo to a cartoon or a drawing. So Canva does have old apps that you could use. So if I revert to the old version of Canva, if I remove the background of this image real quick and I click on apply and I go and I use Trippy. With Trippy, if I use the stencil or the trace option, so it depends which one you want to use. So say you want to use the trace option and you go to the settings and you reduce the coloring and you reduce the RGB. You have like a little bit of a drawing that you could use with the animation. You could also go to your app store and look for software that can convert the image to a drawing, and then you can use those drawings or cartoons on your animation. Another option that's available for your classroom animation or whatever you're needing it for is to use the draw tool that's available on Canva. You can easily draw something that you like and you have fun in your session, and then you have a drawing like I did with my drawing. Once that's done and you have a drawing, you're going to go and access sketch.metademolab.com. There are 4 steps that you're going to take in order for you to have a jumping or a funny or a walking character that you've drawn in class or with your session that you had. So the first thing that you're going to do is to upload your photo. That's step number 1. I will add this website in the description below so that you are able to play around with it. And then you pick the image that you've downloaded. Make sure that it has a clear background and it's a nice drawing. It is your drawing. So read through the terms and conditions of the software because they don't want you to be using other people's drawings. So don't infringe on other people's copyrights. That's the software's terms and conditions, but read through that. Once you've uploaded the drawing, you're going to go next. It will give you an option to agree or disagree. The summary of this option is they are going to use it for research purposes and modification. So if it is your software, you can agree to and disagree. It's up to you. My drawing, I don't mind, I agree. Then they will add the drawing. That's step number 2, making sure that the character is added in full. So you could reduce the spacing if you want so that it's not so much, exactly like the example that they are showing you here. So if the spacing is too less or it took off a little bit, just enlarge it so that it's fully on and it's highlighted, the character. Then you click on next. Great stuff. Now the software is saying to you, they've separated the character in the background. So if, for example, the arm was not selected by the software like it shows us in the example, then you can use the pencil and you can draw that section that the software didn't pick up. If you don't want a certain section that the software has picked up, for example, then you can choose the eraser and you can choose the size of the pencil or the eraser, and then you take off the section that you don't want to be included in the animation. Like you rub it off like I just did right now. If you want to put a section back on, you just pick the pencil and you scratch it and you rub it back on. Once you're done, you click on next. And it will show you where the character joints have been selected, like we see in the example over there. And once we're happy, we click on next. It starts animating for us. Then the animation is done. If we want to see different kinds, we click and we see different kinds. And if you want to see the walking, we pick the walking and we animate it like that. And then he walks. Once you're happy and you want to download this, you're going to click on share. And there are options to share on Facebook, WhatsApp, email, Twitter. If you just want to download it, you click on the download option and then it'll sit on your downloads. In the meantime, I'm busy creating this beautiful video incorporating Canva's Magic Studio. Please be on the watch out. Thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial. If you want to learn how to animate on Canva for free, go watch this video. I will see you on the next video.